final or they go back home.
Has to be a wide. Milan Ratnayaka dives and he makes the ground and the wicket keeper misses it. And a wide and a by that makes 2 runs. And now the ball is not valid, so make it 13 needed of 6 deliveries.
That was always going to be the case. That is not very intelligent cricket by the keeper and the bowler as well. Once he has bowled that, whatever the result is, he needs to run up to the stumps. But he stands his ground and the keeper misses it. Ratnayaka is desperate stuff in the middle. Great scenes over there.
Oh, Milan Ratnayaka, the lady luck is in his side. Was dropped in the previous over. Half a chance with a run out, but the wicket keeper Gori misses it. Is it his day? Is it Sri Lanka's day? Here comes Ubed Shah to Milan Ratnayaka. Down the leg side and wide being called again. Poor stuff by Ubed Shah. Right throughout the day, it's been off the mark, bowling plenty of wide deliveries.
Not learning from what went wrong earlier on with the new ball. He starts from where he left off in his earlier spell, and Pakistan already given away 21 extras, and still Sri Lanka required 12 of 6 balls. So all is not lost. You just have to target the stumps. At the moment, he seems to be all at sea.
Yeah, the discipline from Ubed Shah has been missing. That's why the Shah family, all the fast bowlers have been thriving on. Changes his angle, coming round the wicket. Down the leg side, down the leg side. I thought Milan Ratnayaka will be kicking himself not to get any part of the bat. Would have been a boundary with fine leg in the circle.
Yeah, this is quick. And let's keep it simple. Ball the Yorkers, target stumps. Although this could have been very dangerous had the bat made any connection with the ball. Fine leg was up in the circle. Ratnayaka knows it's all about him, facing everything from here onwards.
It's now or never for both the sides. In 12 runs of 5 deliveries. Short third man, short fine leg, car point, extra cover the 4 fielders in the circle. In the air, over third man and goes for a boundary. Milan Ratnayaka probably anticipating a slow ball bouncer. And Irfan Khan Niazi, he's not a happy man. Got to give it to Milan Ratnayaka for the braveness.
Why bowl slow? That's the question, and I'm sure the captain is asking Ubed the same question. When Yorkers are doing the job for you, why change it? Once again, top stuff from the batter Ratnayaka. Anticipation and wonderful execution of the stroke. Niazi isn't happy.
All the attention is drawn towards Ratnayaka, rightly so. Also, do not forget the contribution of Trevin Matthew. Yes, he has only scored 4 runs, but he has faced precious 11 delivery, and most importantly, not giving his wicket away.
He's done a Pat Cummins over here.
Good one, Salman. Nicely bowled, nicely bowled. That's much better and given. Oh! Morshed Ali given Milan Ratnayaka out. Probably looking at it live, I thought, but maybe drifting down the leg side. Ubed Shah. Sanket giving the full kitchen sink and it gets an inside edge. It has come down to Trevin Matthew. All this time he was the partner that Milan Ratnayaka was relying upon. Now he got to make the attacking stuff now. 7 needed of 2.
Important delivery this. 2 balls, 7 remains. Traveen has had a fair look at the bowlers. Has been there for 11 deliveries he's faced and also been involved in the partnership. This one surely going down the leg side. And Sri Lanka would feel hard done and unlucky.
Clearly, that was very unlucky Milan Ratnayaka and Sri Lanka. This has to go for a 4 or at least 3. Not to be. Ubed Shah saw Kevin Matthew going outside the off stump, follows him, and a precious delivery. Just went for a single. Garuka Sanket, he got one delivery, the little man. Not even turned 21. He has one ball, scoring 6 runs against one of the quickest bowlers in the competition.
Yes, the glory ball. He has his chance. But the pace at which Ubaid Shah is bowling, a fuller ball into the stumps will be the safest try. And he's come back, bowled at pace, aimed at stumps, and that is when the things have started to work for him. The slower ones and the shorter ones haven't worked for Ubaid Shah.
Here comes Ubaid Shah for the last ball. Full toss and young Garuka Sanket miss it. And Ubaid Shah under pressure delivers a very good over. The first 3 overs he was very expensive. When it mattered the most, the raw emotions come out of Ubaid Shah. He bowls the last over for 8 runs. Give Pakistan